everyone, welcome to this maths YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to sketch a parabola. Parabolas are super easy and I feel like I can make your guys' life easier, so let's discuss it. This is how a parabola looks like. Okay, this is an x and y axis, it's a Cartesian plane. A parabola is something that kind of looks like a smiley face or a sad face. It has one turning point, and something really neat about parabolas is its symmetry properties. Everything on this side is the same as this side. It's a reflection. So I'm drawing just a line over here, a line over there. This side of the parabola that I'm drawing over in black, if I were to flip this, it would be this side. The reason why parabolas I think are so simple is because of its symmetry properties. And unlike a cubic or a straight line, it is symmetrical. So I have this parabola over here and I want to sketch this, okay? It's really important to note one thing. The x-axis intercepts, y-axis intercepts, and the turning point. Those are the three things that you're going to be marked on to draw a parabola. So this is the parabola that we're going to be drawing today. Something really neat, I think, and really important is that there are multiple forms in which a parabola is. So this form is in the y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c form. Just a quick one. The reason why we know this is a parabola is because of this squared factor. Unlike a linear line, which is perhaps like this, the power is to the power of 1. This not a parabola. Let's draw this out. So let's first find out the y-axis intercepts. I find that that's always the easiest, and actually I might just label it as so because it'll be easy. Okay, let's start with part 1. Okay, y-axis intercepts. So the y-axis intercepts are these points over here, the ones that lie on this y-axis. Okay, if you notice on this, if this is the x line, x is actually equal to 0 here. That means that something neat that we can do to find out where the y-axis intercept is by So we know that the point is at 0, 6. That was super thing, and your examiner will give you 1 mark. Part 2. If we look at this shape, the x-axis intercepts are these ones over here. These ones over here. These lie on the line y is equal to 0 because this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So, we'll need to factorize. Once we factorize, we now have to use the null factor law. This law is based on the understanding and the properties of 0. So if you do this times 0, what does this equal? 0. If you do -3 times 0, 0,000 times 0 is equal to 0. So we know that in order to get a result of 0, one of these items must be 0. That means in this scenario, this could equal 0, or this could equal 0. So let's do x plus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, it will cut the x-axis 2 times. There we go. Now it's just the final part 3, which is a turning point. The reason why this one is super simple is because it's in the format y is equal to ax squared plus bx. So if I write this on top, in this case, if you look, a is actually equal to 1, b is equal to 5, c is equal to 6. So let's pop that in. Now draw this, we have the 3 parts. Something really cool about a parabola, which I'll talk about, is its symmetry, and I think I'll explain it more further once I draw it. First point is label all your points. So we have a few critical points. This is our 1 point. This is our 2nd point, 3rd point, 4th point. So it's really important to know is its symmetry properties, and the reason it's kind of symmetrical is the turning point will always lie in the middle of the 2 x-intercepts. Really important, you want to draw your parabola super neatly, and the other side becomes easy to draw because it's the exact same. That's basically how you draw a parabola. You want to label your y-axis, x-axis,